Hi, we are going to see Mingle2 dating app. I am from India, so we are going to see how this app is working and what are the advantage and drawbacks in this app. The main thing is we can send unlimited chatting messages and also receive the messages for free in this app, and also up to 37% is completed. Okay, and also the main thing is in this app you don't want to pay any money to do this. If you get the chance to chat with girls or boys, if there is any good conversation is going on, then there will be a positive and possibility to get that boy or girl mobile number, means you can easily get that your partner. So the app is installing, so we are going to open the app and going to check how is that app is working. Let's see. Okay, initially it's bit slow. Okay, after loading, join for free with 15 seconds sign up. Data isn't growing. So what are they in this unlimited interaction with as many people you like for free, match with numbers near you. Okay, so I'm going to sign up with Google. Okay, from my ID I'm going to sign up. Okay, I am male, looking for woman, and I'm going to set my password. Okay, after give the password, it's ask for the date of birth, so I'm give the my date of birth. It mostly for some age restriction things done. Okay, what's the first name? Okay, the same I'm going to do. Just a second, we are creating your profile. Oh, that's simple. Okay, I'm continue with this photo. Ready to meet some singles. Okay, get started. Last name, enter the last name. I don't think so this is very important. Why they asking about this? Okay, Kumaran. Okay, continue. Interesting dating. I'm going to select everything. Counter. What is the height? My height is in centimeter. Okay, body type slender, aesthetic, average. What the silly questions this? I don't know why they are asking. Asian, Eastern Indian. There is no option for South Indian. I am actually South Indian. It's okay. And there is lot of question about the religion in India. So I'm Hindu, so I'm going to give Hindu. and I am married, so I'm going to give my status as a married. And yes, I have, yes, they lived at home. Yes, they lived away from home. Okay, yes, they lived at home. Want children. Understand and open. Yes. No. Drink. No. Smoke. I'm not smoking. And my profession. Oh, they are asking about my professions. Okay, civil engineering. I'm give continue. Interest. I'm going to. Now in Corona, we cannot go anywhere. And some things, gaming, football, dogging, fashion. Okay, I'm going to give anything outdoor. Okay. About me, just for review. Okay. Tap to show interest in her. Okay, I'm not interested. Tap to this icon to okay. Send you first, like to uncheck the selected profile to or not interested. Okay, I'm going to close this. Okay, here we go. There's a lot of profiles. First thing, they tell that they are freely giving chance to chat with that girl or boy, so I'm going to check that first. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to randomly pick a girl and try to chat with her. Okay. Okay, I'm going to chat with her. Hi. I don't know if she is online. Yes, there is already. I got some 2 messages. I'm going to check. Okay, there is no message from any other. It's just an Mingle2 app message only. So I cannot filter the people who are in online. There is no option for the people who are in online. Okay, and there is no indication for the people who are in online. Okay, so it's a drawback for this. Is there a filter option? There is any option for online people? We can filter according to the looks, religion and age, like that only. We cannot filter to those who are in online. So we have to send the message. If they come to online, then they will going to reply us. Okay, let's approximately just select some people and say hi, then see what happen after some days. Okay, now currently in this app there is no sign for people who are in online, so it's definitely a drawback. Okay, I'm nearly give 3 people just to say hi. We have to wait for some time and let's check it's working or not. Okay.